Hello and welcome to the P video. Thank you so much for learning about P with us. Let's start off by looking at some of the things we have here. We have popcorn, pear, panda. These are all things that start with the letter P. Let's look at how to write the letter P. When we write the capital P, we start at the top line, which is called the sky, and we pull our P down to the grass. Then we pick our pencil up, we go back to the sky, and we go around to the fence. Sometimes I like to call this round part at the top the pumpkin on the P. That's a capital P, like we would use at the beginning of a name or the beginning of a sentence. Now let's write a lowercase p. A lowercase p starts on the fence or the middle line. We make a plant down to the grass, but we keep digging the root of that plant down into the dirt. Then we pick our pencil back up and we go back to the fence and we make our pumpkin around to the grass. And there is our lowercase p. Let's write another capital and lowercase p. Capital P starts on the sky, comes down to the grass, pick your pencil up, go back to the sky, and make your pumpkin around to the fence. Lowercase p starts on the fence or the middle line. It goes down and makes a plant to the grass, but it keeps that plant going and digs a root under the dirt. Then you come back to the fence and put your pumpkin on the plant by going from the fence around to the grass. This is a P, and a P says P, P, P. The sign for the sound of P looks just like a P. You make a circle with your fingers. Can you see the stick or the plant of the P and the pumpkin that you're making with your hand? Then you put that P sign right next to your mouth and you say P, 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 just like in pickles. Corn, pepper, pumpkin. There's our pumpkin that's on the plant. Let's write another capital P. Capital letters are used for the beginning of sentences and for names like Peter or Polly. Capital P starts at the very top line. Capital P pulls down to the grass and stops at the grass. Then capital P goes from the sky around to the fence. That's a capital P. For lowercase p, we start on the fence and we pull our plant down to the grass, but we keep going and dig our plant a root into the dirt. Then we pick our pencil up, we go back to the fence, and we put a pumpkin on that plant by going in a big curve from the fence down to the grass. That's a lowercase p. The sound for P is P, 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 like pig. Let's stretch out the word pig. P, ig, pig. There's 3 sounds in the word pig. Let's write the sounds write the letters for the sounds that we hear. P, I, G, pig. Let's sound out the word pig to make sure we have all the sounds we need. P, I, G, pig. Very good. Let's write pop. P, p, pop, like in the word popcorn. Popcorn has two words, but pop is the verb, the action, what it does when you make it. Let's stretch out pop. P, ah, p, pop. Let's write the letters that make the sounds in pop. P, ah, p, pop. Very good. Let's write a few more P's before we go today. Will you get a paper, paper, and write the letter P with me? This is a P, and a P says P. This is a P, and a P says P. This is a P, and a P says P. This is a P, and a P says P. Thank you for coming to learn about the letter P with me and Panda today. I hope you'll come back for more letters.